Today we're going to install a new battery on this 2012 Mazda 3. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and drop in the battery into place. Just move this terminal over to the side and drop it into place. Just like so. Remove these covers from here. This will go on the positive and this one will go on the negative side. Let's go ahead and tie these down. We're going to be using a 10mm socket to secure everything down. And we'll start off on the positive and tie down the negative. Perfect. Now there is a battery clamp that we're going to go ahead and install. And it's going to go just like so. Like so. There's two nuts that hold it into place. One here and another one here. These are also 10mm, so we'll secure these down. Just all the way. There you have it, and that is how you install a new battery on this 2012 Mazda 3. And now for the moment of truth, we'll start her up. Sweet, and there we have it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.